Hey there, creators! Are you tired of spending hours researching video ideas only to find out they're not worth the effort? What if I told you there's a game-changing tool that can streamline your video research and generate SEO-friendly scripts in minutes? Let me introduce you to Maekersuite. Maekersuite is a powerful platform designed to revolutionize your video creation process. With a one-time payment, you gain access to a lifetime deal that makes video production smoother and more efficient. Imagine being able to research any video idea in just a few minutes. With Maekersuite, you simply type your idea into the AI, and it crawls millions of YouTube videos for you. You'll receive a comprehensive report packed with data-driven insights that help you determine if your video idea is worth pursuing. But that's not all. Maekersuite also generates an endless stream of SEO-optimized video titles that you can regenerate, refine, or swap to boost your click-through rates. Plus, it automatically crafts descriptions and tags that are ready to copy-paste into your video during upload. With these incredible features, Maekersuite serves as your writing assistant, allowing you to focus solely on what you do best, recording your videos. Say goodbye to the stress of scriptwriting and hello to more time in front of the camera. So, are you ready to take your video creation to the next level? With Maekersuite, you can streamline your research, enhance your SEO, and create high-quality scripts, all in one place. Don't miss out on this opportunity for a lifetime deal with a one-time payment.